One of the applications of integration is that we can use it to find the average value in the context of the average y value, or the average height, if you will, of a certain function. So let's have a look at this. Let's imagine we have some sort of function, and here are our axes, which you'll notice I've really well ruled here. And there's some function f of x. Now between 2 points, again, let's make these points A and B. I can actually find the average height, the average value of this function between these 2 points. And it all comes down to this idea of a rectangle and the dimensions of a rectangle. Now, if we remember, we know that the average area between these 2 points, so let's again draw it all in blue between A and B. My area, blue here, is the integral between A and B of my function with respect to x. Now, if I imagine that this area was a big bit of plasticine and I squeezed and oozed it, I might also be able to turn that into a rectangle. And that rectangle would have exactly the same area as my blue area. So here we have the orange. And let's imagine, however badly that might be drawn, that my area here has exactly the same area. So therefore my orange area, which is now a rectangle, equals length times width. Now, normally we would talk about length times width, but in the context of the Cartesian plane, I could make that height, which talks all about the y's, and I could make the length the width, which talks all about the x's. Now, my h is going to be my average value, my height. So this is what I'm looking for. And now I can transpose this to say, well, my height is my area divided by my length. My height is my average value. That's what I'm looking for. My area is this function here, and my length is the distance between A and B, or B minus A. So therefore, if I take this as a fraction, my length will be 1 over B minus A, as it's on the denominator, and my length is B minus A, multiplied by my integral of f of x dx. And this is the formula we use to find the average value of any function across the domain from A to B. If you found this or any of my other videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel or like the video. Thanks.